today, me, Strikester, and Blue Jay, because his bike's blue and it's got J on the front. No, no. So we're going to be riding around this beautiful landscape, hitting some jumps and just having fun. So we're going to be having Blue Jay give y'all a tour around.
Sorry guys, the video cut out for a minute. Here, I'm gonna take you down this one right here. So if you come over here, and get out here, we have a drop in. Oh shit! Then you come over here, we have a turnaround right here. Come over here, come over here. And this one, we don't really ride on this much, but we'll go up here. And you'll come up, we'll shoot off this door. Let's head over to our first spot. So for level 1, we're going to be doing
the mini hill climb.
First, we're doing the mini hill climb.
Then?
Second, we're going to be doing this hill climb over here. And then third, we're doing the highest hill climb we have. This is the highest vertical we have done. Over there's a fourth one, but that one has glass over it, so we're probably not going to ride on that one. So we have this one right here, and we have this one right here. So it's going to go 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's get into it.
Hill climb. Let's see it, Blue Jay. Level 2, let's climb.
Let's go, Strikester.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, change of plans. So this one's 3 and this one's 4. That is the final boss. That's the hardest one. He was like, we could do it, and there's no more glass. So, all right. Hill climb, let's get it going.
3 hill climb, let's get it. Let's get it all on. Now level 4, we're gonna be doing it. Level 4, let's get it. Oh wow.
All right, y'all, we're heading up to the next spot. I'll take you over there now. Let me just get the camera set up. recording off my phone. Not really. Don't really have a GoPro yet. Not really sponsored by anything. Yep, guys. Level 5, boys. Let's get it.
Yo, it's not that easy, bro. Like, look. This is like, this is steep.
All right, y'all. We're heading over to the jumps now. All right, let's head over there. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it.
First jump, let's go! All right, y'all, second jump. Let's hit it!
All right, y'all. He's hitting this jump, this monstrosity. This on camera might not look huge, but in person, I'm 5'6", and this thing's probably to my rib cage. All right.
You wanna hit this jump or not? Cause let's get it! Oh yeah! That's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching, and come back. We're gonna be making more content like this, and if we can get 100 likes on this video, we will come back, and we might, maybe, make the jumps a little steeper, and we'll just get a video full of pure jumps, y'all. So please come back and watch the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya!
Like the way she forms, and she gon' perform it. Look the same and more.